Bullets may fly round, but I lay down. I feel safe and sound on solid ground. How can I lay down, but I lay down. I feel safe and sound on solid ground. I feel safe and sound.
Welcome to AI Insiders, your hub for the latest in artificial intelligence. Dive in for news, insights, and tech trends. Enjoying the show? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated.
I got that swagger, I got the feel, I got that new thing. I got that extra, got the real deal. When I just do my thing, do my thing. I got that hustle, that straight up swing. I got that new thing. Do my thing. Stop that, just fuck me now. I just do it like her. Do my thing. Stop that, just fuck me now. I just do it like her. Do my thing. Stop that, just fuck me now. Do it like that. I got the new stuff. New. I got the new stuff. New.
Why is the lever not moving all the way?
I got the new stuff. I got the new stuff. New. I got the new jam. I got the new jam. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I got the new stuff. I got the new stuff. New. I got the new stuff. I got the new stuff.
All right, picture this. You're at the aquarium,
Right.
and you see this whole school of fish, and they're like moving in sync.
Wow.
It's incredible. Now, instead of going to Google and trying to type in fish swimming in formation, right?
Right.
You just point your phone at it and you ask it, why are they swimming like that?
Yeah.
That's Google Lens. And it just got a huge EAI upgrade.
It did. It's pretty incredible, isn't it? Like a massive leap forward, I think, in how we actually interact with information.
Yeah.
Because it's not just recognizing an image anymore. It's like it's understanding like the context of what you're saying when you speak the question.
Yeah.
And it's searching visually.
Totally.
It's like we're finally like bridging that gap between how our brains actually want to like work and find information
Yeah.
and the way that we've been accessing it.
It's like tech is finally catching up to how our brains work.
Totally. Yeah, it's about time.
So Google Lens, from what I understand, it's not stopping at images, right?
Yeah.
Adding video search, voice search, it sounds like magic.
Yeah. It's becoming more and more intuitive. It's like, think about this. You're watching a video, maybe it's a cooking tutorial online, right?
Right.
And you see the chef using like a specific type of pasta. And instead of having to be like, hold on, what was that? You know, rewind it, try to see what the box is. You just point your phone at it and be like, what kind of pasta is that?
Wait.
And Google's AI is analyzing the content of that video
Wow.
in real time alongside your question.
So wait, hold on. So I'm picturing this. I'm scrolling through a cooking video.
Yeah.
See some cool pasta shape I've never seen. I point my phone at it and it just tells me.
Yeah, like what kind of pasta it is, and then you know it can probably give you information
Yeah,
about
yeah.
where to buy it, all that kind of stuff. It's pretty amazing.
That's incredible.
And it's not just pasta. It's like, imagine, you know, you're in a cafe or something, and you hear this catchy song. You don't know what it is.
yeah.
Well, soon you're gonna be able to just hum that tune into the Google app,
What?
and their AI will be able to identify the song. And this is actually rolling out to more devices. It's called Circle to Search.
Wow. This is straight out of like sci-fi. You're telling me Google can now tell the difference between like spaghetti and fettuccine, understand my questions about a video, and recognize a song I hum. This is next level stuff.
It is. What's so cool about it is the scale of the data that they're using to do this. So think about what they call their shopping graph,
Okay.
which is, it's this massive database
Yeah.
with information on, get this, over 45 billion products.
Wow. 45 billion.
45 billion. So that means if you use Google Lens and you take a picture of, like, I don't know, someone's cool backpack on the street,
Right.
it can probably identify like the exact model,
What?
instantly compare prices for it at different stores, like pull up reviews.
Okay, so shopping just got a lot easier and a lot more dangerous for my bank account. But that's incredible. Just to like take a picture of something and instantly like find the best deal, find out where to buy it, that's incredible.
That's what's so crazy is it's not just about shopping. This technology is
Yeah.
changing how we are gonna like discover information in every aspect of our life.
Yeah.
And how we discover products.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing.
So like imagine I'm trying to find a new recipe,
Okay.
like a vegetarian appetizer
Yeah.
for a party or something. Instead of just like having to go through a million different websites, Google's AI can now like curate a page
Yeah.
with articles, videos, even like forum discussions,
It's amazing.
all centered around that exact topic, organized in a way that makes sense.
It's like having a personal researcher who's already gone through all the noise
Yes.
and pulled out like the best bits, right?
Exactly. Like they've prepped the perfect like research buffet for me with all the best options. But is there a concern with so much AI curation? Are we only going to see like what the algorithm thinks we want to see? That whole like filter bubble thing.
Well, and that's a valid concern, and I think it's something Google's really aware of.
Yeah.
They've really emphasized the inclusion of diverse sources in these like AI organized results.
Okay.
It's not about narrowing your perspective.
Got it.
It's about just giving you kind of a broader view with a clear path to dive deeper.
Right.
So within those AI summaries, you'll find like direct links
Okay.
to the original articles, videos, the discussions.
Got it.
So you can always, check the source yourself.
So it's less about replacing our own like judgment and more about just giving us a more efficient, organized starting point for research.
Think of it as like a really well-curated library.
Okay.
Like you still get to choose what you read, how you interpret it, but you've got like a really helpful librarian who's like, hey, you should check out this section over here.
Right.
This is the good stuff.
I like that. Okay.
Yeah, and it's important to note that like Google has been pretty transparent, I think, about their testing process for this.
Okay.
Especially when it comes to,
Yeah.
things like ads and the AI overviews. Like they're rolling things out slowly.
Okay.
They're gathering feedback, making adjustments.
Got it.
Like they know they got to get this right.
Right.
It's a big deal.
Yeah, because a lot of people, myself included, can be a little, wary of AI taking over too much, especially with something as like fundamental as how we search for information.
Yeah, I mean that's totally understandable.
Yeah.
I get it. But, at the end of the day,
Yeah.
it's a tool,
Yeah.
And how we use it, how it evolves, ultimately depends on us, the users.
Totally. So it sounds like don't be afraid to kind of like experiment,
Yes.
dive into the new features,
Right.
see what works,
Yeah.
and don't hesitate to like give Google that feedback.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a learning process.
It is. This is an evolving landscape.
Yes. Yeah.
And user input is so crucial in shaping where it goes next.
Totally. Now, if you'll allow me to geek out for a second here.
Please.
If search is changing this much now,
Yeah.
what is it going to be like in 5-10 years?
Oh man. It's like it's a really exciting question to think about, right?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
imagine a world where search is completely seamlessly integrated
Right.
into just how we live our lives.
Yeah.
Where we can just access information effortlessly, intuitively, regardless of, language barriers or even physical limitations.
A world where we no longer Google something,
Right.
but we just engage in a conversation
Yes.
with information itself.
Exactly. Learning could become this truly immersive and personalized experience.
Okay, I'm geeking out now. This is cool. But before we go too far down the future tech utopia,
Right.
let's bring it back down to earth for a minute.
Okay, yeah.
For people who are listening who are hearing about this for the first time, it might seem like you need a degree in computer science
Right.
just to use Google now.
Yeah, and I think that's a really good point. The technology behind this is incredibly complex.
Right.
But the way that they've designed it for the user
Right.
is supposed to be like dead simple.
Totally.
Like they want your grandma to be able to use this.
Right.
Like this isn't just for,
Yeah.
the tech savvy.
It's like the best tech is the tech you don't even notice,
Exactly.
It just works.
It just works.
Which I think is kind of what we're all responding to here. Like, it's magic.
Yeah. It was like, instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, we're pulling knowledge out of thin air.
Exactly.
But no, I think what excites me most about all of this is like how it can empower people.
Right.
It's not about replacing us. It's about giving us
Yeah.
tools to explore and learn in ways that we never could before.
Totally. So for our listeners who are like ready to grab their phones, dive into this brave new world of search, is there anything like specific they need to do? Do they need like a certain app, a certain software update?
No special handshake or anything like that.
Okay, good.
I mean, the rollout is happening in stages, so not all the features are going to be available to everyone like right away, but
Okay.
definitely keep an eye out for Google app updates,
Got it.
especially if you're on Android. But most importantly, don't be afraid to like play around with it.
Totally.
Like next time you're out, like go on a Google Lens adventure, Try humming a song that's stuck in your head. See how the AI organizes your search results, You might be surprised.
I love that. Embrace the experimentation.
Yes.
Everyone, you never know what you're going to find. Well, on that note,
There you go.
I think we've reached the end of another deep dive.
Another deep dive into the future of search, no less.
Into the future of search. And as always, I think it leaves us with more to think about than when we started.
Always.
Which is kind of the goal, right?
That's what we like.
So if search is changing this much now,
Yeah.
what other like mind-blowing innovations are just around the corner?
Right.
It's exciting to think about.
It is.
So something to ponder
Indeed.
next time you open up Google.
There you go.
Bullets may fly round, but I lay down. I feel safe and sound on solid ground. How can I lay down, but I lay down? I feel safe and sound on solid ground. I feel safe and sound.
Thanks for joining us on AI Insiders. If you enjoyed today's chat, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Stay curious and keep exploring AI with us. How does that sound?
I feel safe and sound.